Little example here, and we'll see how well we can see this on the video, and the lighting, how big the print is. Okay, so this is a first practice math test in this book. So I'm gonna start right here just to give an example, and we'll see together if this works well for you. Okay, so here's the example. Okay, so there's 3 problems. So what I want you to do every time that I put one of these on here, this just take you 3 minutes. It's 3 problems. Set your timer. Don't look at them right now. Okay, first set your timer on your phone for 3 minutes. Okay, then you work these problems in that 3 minutes, and then unpause, and I'll solve these. Okay. Okay, so let me grab a piece of paper. Pause this video. Work these 3 problems, and then I'll work them and show you my working. You can check yours. Okay, here we go. I'm going to work these problems right next to it here. If x equals 3, then what does this equal? So, well, you just, I hope you just stick that, you substitute and solve, this is called. So I substitute 3 in, x is 3, put 3 in wherever x is, and simplify the equation there. Oops, simplify the expression, the equation. So we go 3 squared plus 2 times 3 minus 12. That's 9 plus 6 minus 12. That's 15 minus 12. I get 3. I hope you got 3. The answer is C. Okay. Number 2. If this equals that, then what is x? So this is a equation with a variable on both sides. So first step is, I'll write down the problem, go step by step. Because I don't know what your level is. Maybe this is too easy. Maybe this is what we need to practice. We'll talk about that together. Okay, so you distribute. You got your 6x minus 3 equals 11x plus 27. So I got to get your x's together on one side of the equal sign and your numbers on the other side. So it's easiest if you take the smaller, if they're both positive x values, if the coefficient of x is positive, then I'm going to take away 6x from both sides. Minus 6x from both sides, and I'll have minus 3 equals 5x plus 27. And then take away 27 from both sides, because it's plus 27. Take that away. You got 5x equals minus 30. Divide by 5 on both sides. X equals minus 6. So I get F as the answer. Okay. And number 3. To make space, so some of these questions are like reading questions, okay? So you got to be able to be a good reader. To make space for new merchandise, a clothing store offers 15% discount. What is the sale price of a jacket that regularly sells for $42? The regular price is 42. What is the price if I take away? So I'm going to do 42 minus 0.15 times 42. Right? And that's, okay, so that's the way I do it. 15% off, right? 15% of the total price I take off of that price. That's how this sale is working. Let's see if I can do this without a calculator. You can use a calculator and just do this part. Put all this in and get your answer. But that'd be 4.2 plus half of that, right? 10% of 42 is 4.2, and 5% would be half of 10%. It'd be 2.1. That's going to be 6.3. 42 minus 6.3 42 minus 6 give me a 36, right? So 35.7. Okay, C. All right. So I hope this works for you, Amna. And this is what I propose to do. Maybe as long as this works for you. I've used this with a lot of students, just this method. You pause, you look at those 3 problems, pause the video, work those 3 problems in 3 minutes, and then I'll show you my answer, okay? And that way you can do a lot of studying other than just with us together, right? And I'll be helping you. And so that's my proposal of what we should do on the math part, and I can do the same thing on the science and English and all those parts. Okay, thank you for your attention.